Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to connect an MCP server in Cloud Code. An MCP, which is called Model Context Protocol Server, Let's Cloud Code, connects to external tools like GitHub, databases, browsers, Slack, Notion, and custom APIs. Once connected, Cloud can use the tools directly instead of requiring you to copy and paste information. Now, for such thing, you will need to actually connect MCP server in Cloud. You need first to do these steps. First of all, you need to have Cloud Code installed on your PC. So for now, I only have Cloud. I don't have the Cloud Code, but just to prove to you the command, you simply have to copy this command that is in front of you guys, as you can see. So you can literally just copy it. I'm just gonna paste it right over here, copy it from here, go to here PowerShell and paste it. In case it didn't recognize it, that means it's not really downloaded on your PC. So it needs to be on your PC. As you can see, it's not on PC and it's not really recognized, so you need to install it on your PC. The second thing, once you have it correctly downloaded, you need to add the MCP server. You need to copy this for most remote MCP servers, which are remote. So Cloud MCP add transport HTTP server name and the server URL that you need /MCP. And for those who once you do that and it didn't work for them, or for those who didn't work for them, you can try this command as well, which is similar to it. MCP add transport HTTP Notion, for example, mcp.notion.com/mcp. So this command is more like an example on how it works. Once you have did that, you need to verify the server was added. So you need to run this command, which is cloud mcp list. So cloud, or we can just remove this, mcp list. And once you run it, this should give you all the necessary information. You should see your new MCP server in the list. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next upcoming video.